Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to solve the another problem of accounting equation. Okay, let us see here. Here are four transactions is given. We will solve this accounting equation. First of all, we have to remember that what formula we will solve for accounting equation. Total assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. This formula we will use to prepare the accounting equation. Now we have to read the transaction. What are the assets creating here and what are the liabilities? So the transaction one is Harish started business with cash. How much amount? 18,000. It means here is the cash. Cash is the asset for the business. Second, he purchased goods for cash rupees 5,000 and on credit rupees 2,000. He is purchasing goods also. Goods means a stock of the business will be increased. Stock will be here and purchasing goods on cash and also on credit. It means credit means creditors or liabilities will be credited here. Now he sold goods for cash, selling goods cash. How much? 4,000. Costing, cost price. This is the cost price of the goods, and this is the selling price of the goods. From this, we will be able to find out how much profit or loss is happening here. And now the last transaction is rent paid rupees 1,000 and rent outstanding rupees 200. Outstanding means this is also a liability for the business. Okay, so the asset here are two assets, cash plus stock, and here liabilities. First liability is creditors plus second liability is creating here outstanding rent. Now the capital will be as it is. Okay, now we will solve the problem. Harish started business with cash. How much? 18,000. It means cash value will be here 18,000. Stock 0, creditors 0 plus outstanding rent 0. This cash balance will be the capital for the business 18,000. From second transaction, purchase goods for cash how much? 5,000 and on credit how much? 2,000. It means your cash will be reduced by 5 because 5,000 he is paying for cash. How much stock is coming? Cash stock 5,000 and credit stock 2,000. It means stock value will be 7,000. 7,000 stock we are purchasing. Here 2,000, the creditors value will be increased by 2,000 because in future he will pay amount of 2,000. Capital, here there will be no impact on capital. Now the new equation, what will be the new equation? New equation will be here 18,000 minus 5,000 means 13,000 plus 7,000 stock value is equal to 2,000 creditor plus outstanding rent nothing plus capital will be as it is 18,000. Now the third transaction is sold goods for cash. How much? 4,000. This is the selling price. How much? 4,000. And the cost price of goods is 2,400. It means you are getting profit. How much profit you are getting? Minus 4,000 minus 2,400. It means 1,600 here is profit. So if you are selling goods, then your cash value will be increased because you are selling goods from cash. Your cash value will be increased by how much? 4,000 because in 4,000 you are selling goods plus how much? Cost price of goods. Cost price of goods means a stock will be reduced by your cost price. How much cost price? 2,400 means your stock will be reduced by 2,400 equal to Creditors, nothing, 0. How much profit you are getting here? Profit 1600. It means by 1600 your capital value will be increased. 1600. Now what will be the new equation? The new equation, this was the transaction number 3. The new equation will be here, 13,000 plus 4,000, 17,000. Here is minus because a stock will be reduced. 4600 equal to 2000 as it is, 0 plus here capital will be increase, means 19,600 will be the capital. Now come to the last transaction. In last transaction, what is happening? Rent paid how much? 1000. It means by 1000 your cash balance will be decrease. Rent paid how much? 1000. Plus a stock, there will be no impact on a stock. Creditors, there will be no impact. Rent outstanding rupees 200. It means here a liability will be created. How much amount? 200. Now you are paying in cash 1000. It will reduce your capital by 1000. Here liability is also creating by 200. It means 200 more liability will be reduced. It means your total liability will be reduced by 1200. This will be the minus. Now the new equation will be, here 16,000 cash value plus 4,600, this will be as it is, plus 2,000 plus 200 outstanding rent plus 18,400. So these are all 4 transactions that we already solved. Now we need to check amount of LHS is equal to the amount of RHS or not. If it is equal, then your solution is correct. So check here, 16,000 plus 4,600, 20,600. See here, 18,000 plus 2,000, 20,400 plus 200, 20,600. Both the side LHS and RHS is correct. It means our solution is correct.